Today we're in Castledockrell catchment, and it's the heart of spring malt and barley growing country. There'll be a history of sugar beet here, and we've free draining soils, Clonroach soil type. And with spring barley on free draining soils, there are times of the year when the crop is ripening and after harvest that we don't have any growth taking place in the field. And soil naturally contains a lot of nitrogen, can contain in the tillage area over 5 tons of nitrogen per hectare, and that can get mineralized, and if there's nothing growing, that's available to be lost through the rainwater percolating through the soil in September, October, November and during the winter months. To overcome that, the tillage farmers here sow what we call a catch crop, and we have a lovely green material growing here, a mixture of rape and stubble turnip, and it has been sown purely for the purpose of capturing moisture and nitrogen that would otherwise have been available for loss into the groundwater. And the farmers are doing that at their own expense, and every year there's probably a greater proportion of ground being tilled for catch crops to have the environmental benefit of reducing nitrate losses to our groundwater streams and estuaries. In addition to that, during very wet periods like we had last week, the fact that we have growthy material on top will prevent runoff and soil particles running off the surface of the soil getting into our water courses.